Pete Custis here with Small Business Resource Center. One of the most common questions is, I've created a website, Facebook business page, or any type of social media marketing, but now what do I do? I don't have any traffic. People aren't coming. You have to do something to create SEO, search engine optimization, or traffic. So that is one of the keys. When you're looking at this, what do you do? Of course, you got to have some type of traffic. You have to have something that creates engagement. One of the top things that people use is a free YouTube channel. YouTube video like you're watching right now is a good way to get people engaged. If you create a channel, it's free. You have to have a Gmail account to do it. If you don't use Gmail, you can still create an account, create a YouTube channel. Then you have to have things that are going to engage people. That's content people are looking for. And when you create content, it's there, it stays there, it's very easy. The other thing you can do, like when you're looking at the Small Business Resource Center, is you have a blog. A blog on your website creates information which stays there, which people can start finding. It'll start getting optimized by search engine. When it's geared towards what you do, people will find it. So that's another thing that you can do. And that's also done like when you're looking at your business page on Facebook, you create content, people may search for it, and that will bring people to your page. So those are things that you can do that are inexpensive or can be free. So those are strategies. If you need help with that, go to smallbusinessresourcecenter.com, click search. You can find a lot of help that will help you do that. If you like the information, just download what you need. We also have a lot of articles. We're planning on having a category of content of about 250,000 different information and articles that you can get, because content is key. Once you have content, it helps bring people back. Some of it you can use, learn about the information. Once you learn about the information, you can use it for your own videos. You can use it for articles. That will draw people to your website, also to your YouTube pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you have, but that content is there. It's yours to use. Check it out. Good luck. Comment below if you need help. Like our page. Let me know what you need to succeed. Have a great day.